Hello there, year ones. I hope you're having a lovely, lovely day, and I hope you're super duper excited about National Numeracy Day like I am. And I know Mrs. Howells is. She's been thinking long and hard about some really nice activities you can be doing today to really celebrate maths. And I too have been thinking about maths. I've been thinking about the fact that maths is all around us. I bet you if you look around your house right now, you'll see lots of different shapes. You'll see numbers maybe on the clocks, on the back of books, or maybe on your TV, or in the back of your food. When you go outside your house and you go for a walk down your street, you're going to see maths shapes in the houses. You're going to see numbers on the houses, numbers on the back and front of cars, different shapes in the playgrounds. Maths is all around you. You are going to have maths throughout your life. Always going to be there. Okay, so we're going to celebrate it. I was also thinking that about football, one of my favourite sports, because there's lots of maths in football too. Okay, because if you want to lay out the pitch, you need to understand the measurements, and you need to be able to do measuring to lay out the pitch. There's numbers on the back of the players' shirts. There's the league table. If you want to understand the league table, if you're a football fan, you want to understand how Liverpool have got themselves to the top of the table, you need to have an understanding of all those numbers there and what they mean. Okay, so there's a bit of multiplication going on there. There's adding, the subtraction. Okay, so you need to have a really good understanding of maths to be able to understand the football table, which tells you who's doing the best and who's doing the worst. Okay. Wrong button. And also, you need to have an understanding of time, because football matches are 45 minutes a half, so you need to know how much time you have left maybe to score a goal. You may need to be able to take the score. Okay. And also, football players cost money. So if you want to follow your team and you want to work out how much your team's spending on buying football players and paying football players, you really have to have a good, strong knowledge of number and maths. Okay, so maths is all around us. It's also in board games. There's loads of maths in board games. So I thought it'd be a really, really fun thing for you guys to do is to create your own board game, okay, and make it as mathematical as you can. So I have created one, for instance. I've created one called Hillcrestopoly. Okay, there's lots of maths going on there, but there's a problem. Okay, we've got an eagle spot, kestrels, playground, which is +2, medical room, which is -8, or subtract 8, office -8, woodland area is +6, climbing frames +3, the big hole is +7, and the small hole is +4. And when you start, you get 10. But there's one thing I don't know. I don't know how to play. What do I need? Yes, Harrison, you're right. You need some instructions. Mr. McIntyre would get some writing into this somehow. So I want you to come up with your maths board game, but can you also work on some instructions as well, just like we were doing last week. So I've have a how-to in my title, so that the reader knows what they're playing. Okay, so they know that everything underneath here is going to tell them how to play Hillcrestopoly. Tells them what they need. Okay, so they need the board, they need some counters, and they need some dice. Okay, the instructions are to set up board on a flat surface. Okay, that's the first instruction. Okay, so set up the board on flat surface. Put counters on start square, and youngest player goes first. So you work out who the youngest player is, and they'll go first. Each player starts with 10 points. So you might need to. You'll also I haven't written it down. Oops, but you need to write down your scores, and then you add or subtract the number in the square you land on. So for instance, I go 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I landed in the woodland area, which I get 6 points. I have 10 already. 10 plus 6 is, I'll put 10 in my head, and I will count on 6. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 points. Okay, so that's, and then the first player to get to 50 points wins. Okay, so that's my maths challenge for you guys today. I want you to create your own maths board game, and then I want you to come up with instructions so that I know how to play it, and anybody knows how to play it. Okay, have a really fun day, and do notice all that maths around you.